I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. Next up, I'm heading to meet the Korres sisters, who are gonna help me brush up on my Greek and teach me all about their family food traditions.
I'll introduce you, should I? No, I won't. Okay. My name is Viki. This is my sister, Irene. Irene, Greek background. I love Greek food. You know, it's beautiful, it's delicious, it's one of the greatest joys in life, and it really is a loving act to prepare food for people in the family.
It's just a time to get together, and that's a special time, that 2 or 3 hour lunch or dinner, that's for us, that's for the family.
Hi, Shahir, Irene.
Thank you for welcoming me into your home.
We are gonna make an amazing Greek dish
We're
today.
making authentic Greek food.
Authentic, you're gonna love it, I promise.
Really?
This is such a traditional home-style Greek meal.
Kefte.
The Greek kefte? Keftedes.
Keftedes.
I'm saying keftes.
Keftedes.
Keftedes.
You missed a syllable. Keftedes.
Tedes.
Keftedes.
Keftedes. These are recipes you guys grew up with.
Oh, we grew up eating this all the time.
We're gonna start with the ground turkey, I assume, right? So we get the ground turkey in. What's next?
Onion.
Onion.
Here.
We grate the onion because we do not want large chunks. Large chunks won't really melt with the cooking.
So everything is soup. Even I'm crying now. You're doing the garlic.
About 2 cloves.
Okay, so our onion goes into
Onion
the
in.
mixture.
Onion into the
go.
mixture. So what can I do now? Can I chop some parsley? Is that next?
My dad usually gives it a little trim.
Make it sound like a haircut. Just a little
like a
trim.
haircut.
Just a little trim. So all this parsley goes in. No shortage of fresh herbs in a recipe like
color.
this.
Go for the salt.
Little pepper
Absolutely. So we're almost there.
to starve the show.
The main ingredient.
This is real Greek
Oh,
oregano.
wow. Beautiful. Look at the purple and the...
It's absolutely beautiful.
So should I chop it? Should I do
Chop it. You can if you wanted to, but the way that
She
we
says,
just...
you say, she says.
We never see eye to eye.
Who do I listen
Nothing to me. Oh, a good rubbing.
to? With my hand.
You don't need a lot.
Okay, so I've got the oregano in the bowl. That's the start of the show. How do we wrap up this kefte?
So, a little bit of healthy fat.
Because I guess the
Olive
turkey is
oil.
lean, so we
It's
want to have
very
some
lean.
fat in it. So every Greek recipe has amazing olive oil.
That's right.
And then we bind it.
1/3 of a cup of breadcrumbs.
1 egg. In we go. And you mix. Do it by hand so that it's not over-mixed, it's not under-mixed.
You kind of have to go based on feel.
What do you think, Irene?
A little more.
Go for it.
Okay.
Yep.
A little more binder
Okay,
in there.
get the pinky in
right.
there. You did
See.
need more breadcrumb.
See, I know.
It's all by eye.
It's all by eye.
Mixture is done,
Moisten your hand a little bit.
so it doesn't stick.
Okay, so there we go. Not sticking at all.
Yours are nicer than mine. Look at that. Okay, let me try again. So, too big?
Yeah.
I'm hungry, that's
Not
why.
perfect, not perfect.
It's what matters on the inside, no?
True, but no.
You would put these on a grill in the summertime. I guess,
Absolutely,
right?
yes. They cook so fast. Perfect.
Better?
Much better.
Okay, I'm learning. Okay, that one's pretty good.
It's good.
So I'll get another tray.
Amazing.
We'll make another tray here.
When we put them in the oven, bake them on 375,
Okay.
10 to 12 minutes on each side.
Okay, so our patties are formed. In they go. How are we gonna dress up these little pitas?
We make tzatziki.
So what do we start with? The cucumber?
Sure.
What do we do with the cucumber? Do you want me to chop it? Do you want me
So
to
the
dice it?
cucumber, we have to grate it.
Oh, you grate it?
We grate it after.
Oh.
Garden cucumbers, if you grate them, tend to have coarser, larger seeds. You probably have to remove those.
Okay. Some juice has come out of it, the liquid, of
Lots.
course.
And this is what now we want to get rid of. Take a handful. You can help
Okay.
me. So
Strain
we
out the
Strain
liquid.
it very well. A lot. Dry your hands.
Okay. Now I can add the garlic.
2 cloves crushed garlic, not chopped, crushed.
A little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt.
Then Vicky, what do we do now with this yogurt?
I drained 2 tubs of yogurt in the cheesecloth.
Yeah.
24 hours for sure. We're left with like the heavy yogurt.
It's nice and thick. Wow.
Here we go again with our delicious olive
A
oil.
nice glug of good old Greek olive oil, red wine vinegar. Then do you want me to stir this up?
Absolutely.
Is that the idea?
Yep.
It's unbelievably
Can
thick
you
now.
feel how thick that yogurt is?
Just needs a good amount of stirring.
A good amount of
Really good amount.
elbow grease.
Are you getting tired?
No, I'm not getting tired.
Keep going.
I can do it. Should we have a taste now?
Go for it.
It's perfect.
Perfect.
And the red wine vinegar gives a nice punch. It's the perfect kind of acidity for a dip like
Yep.
this. Okay, so our keftes are ready. We flip them.
Our keftedes are ready. We're ready to assemble and eat.
Let's do it.
Is everyone hungry?
Yes. Starving.
You guys want to eat?
I'm starving.
We would like to welcome Shahir to our family dinner. Welcome, Shahir. You're an honorary member of our family.
Beautiful.
Thanks for
And
coming.
thank you for cooking with us.
Yes.
Thank you for teaching me.
Let's dig in.
Oh, you go circular. Okay.
Oh, tomatoes, baby. That's really good. It totally is.
Viki, Irene, you're great teachers, great chefs. Kids, thank you so much for making me an honorary Greek member of the family.
Yamas.
Yamas. Moussaka next week. Moussaka next week.